look at me, you may think you see who I really am, but you never know me. Every day is as if I play my part, and now I see people wear a mask. I can't pull the word, I cannot pull my heart. Who is that girl I see stepping straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in a world where I had to hide my heart and what I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and be loved for who I am. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Who I is my reflection, someone I don't know. Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? There's a heart that must be free to fly, that bird